Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be back working on this C8 Corvette here. So it's been sitting for a while, and mostly because of the hold up on the frame parts here. So with these frame parts, you have to be a certified GM frame shop. So there's a shop near me that had the certification, but they've been waiting on, they had to re-update it, and apparently they had to get a new hoist, new frame machine and everything. So it's been a little bit of a chaotic mess dealing with that, but hopefully here soon they have all the paperwork sent in, they get approved, and we can get the parts coming for it, and then I'm going to get them to replace the parts. So I'll show you on this frame rail here. This is where it's kinked. So there's the main rail here, it's kinked right here, and this rail I guess right here, and the front piece. So there's actually three different pieces here. Not exactly sure what they call this, but I do have all this stuff ordered. But when we went to order it through my dealership that I usually order all the stuff from, it came back about a couple days later, and they're like, you can't axe that, and they couldn't order any of that stuff except for I think they do have this in stock. Like, they already ordered this up for me. This piece, which I think it's probably okay. I just ordered it just in case. And actually, all these front frame rails are good and everything. But yeah, so that's kind of the hold up here. I ordered everything back in. It would have been about April, I think, or sometime in April, I think, is when I ordered it. Just right after I bought it, I ordered all the parts up because I figured out that that frame shop could actually do all the work. And then I had them do some work on got that 2022 Blazer, the other build there, if you've checked it out on the channel. They did some work to that one and they did an awesome job. They changed the front frame rails, which was a huge job. I got it all ready for them, and they changed the rails on these for them. So they said they'd be able to handle this no problem, or maybe not no problem, but they'd be able to do it. So yeah, just waiting on the parts has just been brutal. So hopefully GM gets back here soon and we can get the parts coming, because that'd be really exciting to get this thing going. Because the Camaro is actually almost done, so it'd be nice to get this back rolling again too, right? So, but anyways, I'm sending them a bunch of seatbelts away for like the Blazer and my 22 Duramax in a building, and the Camaro is all getting sent away. So I might as well send these seatbelts away too. So the pre-tensioners need to be sent away, and the module and the seatbelts. And I'm sending all this stuff to Safety Restore down in the States there. So it takes about a week and 24-hour turnaround. Usually it's really fast, so not too worried about that. And they do an awesome job on that stuff. So, but for now, I'm going to pull this roof off here and then pull the seats out. And I'm not exactly sure what I have to do to pull this the seat belt out. I'm guessing it's down here somewhere, or maybe behind this. I'm not really sure yet, but we'll start taking some stuff apart and see how far we get. And then yeah, I think that's all I need to take apart for this for now. Probably go ahead and I'm gonna pull this windshield out, and once I get word that the parts are coming, this whole interior needs to be gutted because I need to take the whole dash out. And because this, I don't know if the rail under here needs to be changed too, but they're gonna have to get right behind on the back side of this to change all that. So I'm gonna have to gut the whole entire interior and everything to get it all ready for them. And then, you know, just save some time on labor, have it already stripped down to exactly where they can start changing the rails on it, right? So, but anyways, for now, I'm gonna just start by pulling the seats out and pull the roof off and see how hard it is to get these seatbelts out of here. Alrighty, so I just popped the seat out here, and then you just pop this back trim out, and the seat belt's just back in here. And actually, the bolt to it is there's a little cover here, and that's how you get to the bolt. So just pops out there, pretty easy. And then I did see the airbag control module is just down here on the middle of the center console there. So I think I have to undo some of these bolts to lift it up. But I'll pull the seat out the other side, and then the trim kind of off the other side there, and maybe on the side of the other, and maybe this comes up. I think I might have to pull. I don't know, this might be in the way. I don't know how that comes off there though. The top piece popped off, but might just be clips. There might be a hidden screw somewhere in there, but I'll just try that and see what happens. And so to remove the pre-tensioner on the seat here, all you need to do is there's just one little screw in the bottom here, and then you just undo that one little plug-in, and then a T50. I don't think you really need to take it all the way off. If you have another wrench or ratchet you can fit in there, and they can just do it that way. And that's this way. I don't think this one even blew off, to be honest, but I'm just going to send it away to get it checked just to make sure it's all good. Alright, so I think I was able to get the airbag control module out of here without taking the whole center console out. And you just need to wiggle it out. It's a little tight. There we go. There it is. So I mean, I still gotta pull this whole stuff out anyways, but for now for today I'm just gonna take this out, the airbag control module, and I got the seat belts out of here. But all of this needs to come out and just strip right back to the firewall and down to nothing. So you can see here's the floor and the floor pan right there. And I mean, this side's good. So it's supposed to look like, not supposed to look like a big kink in it. And there's really not much damage on this side except for a little bit where when I got spun around here, busted that lower A-arm and just kind of whacked up against this. I don't think it actually broke this, but it just busted the bumper cover there, so. But yeah, there we go. We got the seat belts out now, the airbag control module out, and the seats out here. So it didn't actually blow. The only airbag that blew was the steering wheel airbag. So, and it wrecked some of these controls. So I'll have to get some of the control. I think this one's. Yeah, these are all good, but just wrecked this one. This control. Everything else in the interior is pretty good. The door panel on this door isn't wrecked or damaged at all. But everything needs to be cleaned up. I can't wait to get this thing fixed and back together and clean the whole interior up and give it a good detail. Leather condition the seats and everything, and it'll be looking really nice. So, but anyways, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. All I wanted to do pretty much today was pull the seatbelts out for now and give you a little update on when the parts are coming and what's going on with this thing. So it's just been sitting here in the shed, and which is kind of disappointing because it'd be really nice to be cruising around this thing right now or taking it out for test drive and getting it all finished up, but you know, that's just the way it goes sometimes. So but anyways, I'll let you know when the new parts come in, and maybe we'll start stripping this interior down in the next video. So thanks for watching, and tune in for the next one. Peace.